guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Liz and this is Simply Homeschool. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an inside look at the history and geography for Abeka's 6th grade curriculum. So if you would like to stick around and get a little bit more familiar with the curriculum, stay tuned. Alright you guys, here is the new world history and geography in Christian perspective. Okay, so this is for the 6th grade. Here you're going to start with the contents. It's going to go through North America. More of North America here. And then South America, Geography Handbook, Document Memorization. And then it's going to start here with Chapter 1, the first Americans and the land they found. So this is the greatest migration in history. The animals came first. It's going to show Comprehension Check 1. This is going to go through everything that they just read, make sure that they're understanding it. And then it's going to start with 2 vast continents. It's going to continue through, talking about Central America, West Indies, South America. And then it's going to do the Comprehension Check 1B. And it's going to continue on to how the American Indians lived, education, food, clothing, and shelter, recreation, religion, Native Americans today, and then Comprehension Check 1C. And then at the end of the chapter, they're going to have a chapter checkup. So here is Chapter 2, Cold Lands to the North. Same drill. It's going to walk you through some of the things in that subject. And then it's going to start with the comprehensions. I skipped a comprehension somewhere, but this is Comprehension Check 2B, so it's explaining what they just read, or asking questions so that they would know what they just read. Continues on to the modern Eskimos. And then here is the Comprehension Check. The northern woodlands, land of tall trees, animals of the woodlands. And then another comprehension check. I really like how they do the comprehension check after a couple pages, just because if you wait until the very end of the chapter, it's easier to forget things. So the Indians of the far north. And then here is their chapter checkup. Okay, so it's going to continue on to Canada, the 2nd largest country. Let's walk through the Chapter 8, United States History, George Washington and the New World's First Republic. So, young hero of French and Indian War, the French settle New France, the French and Indian War, Comprehension Check, threats to American freedoms, a new king, the Stamp Act, the Boston Massacre, the Boston Tea Party, the Quebec Act, the First Continental Congress, the colonists prepare to fight, the midnight ride of Paul Revere, the shot heard round the world, and then Comprehension Check. Okay, so it continues on. I'm not going to read all of it to you guys. You guys are probably like, oh, okay, lady. Landforms, hemispheres and continents, latitude and climate, longitude and time, using latitude and longitude, bodies of water and islands, rivers and lakes of the Western Hemisphere, mountains and deserts of the Western Hemisphere. And then these are just bodies of water. Let's see, lakes, island, landforms, Middle America, and South America. Here's the Dictionary of Geographical Terms. And that is quite a few pages. And then document of memorizations. So this is the Declaration of Independence, the American Creed, Lincoln's Gettysburg Address. So here's the nifty 50 states and capitals, United States presidents, and then your index. And that is it for this book. Here we have the New World History and Geography maps and activities. And then here are the skill sheets. So in your manual, in the teacher's guide or the daily guides where their lessons are, it'll tell you what day the skill sheets 1 is for. Okay, so here are some skill sheets. Map skills. You have to put, this is for Canada, okay, so you would have to put, it says to color Canada green, and then you're gonna have to mark in these bubbles where these are. So that's basically what this is. Different territories. Here's some questions. Again, here's the maps. It's just the layout of where everything is that they're gonna be working on. Okay, let's see. Resource map. Here's the map and then the questions. Let's see what this one is. It's using a grid. Here is a crossword puzzle. A lot of maps, timelines. Another crossword. There's a lot of these maps here. Okay, here is the teacher key for that. So, again, everything in your teacher keys are gonna be blue. Okay, so there you go, guys. Everything written in blue. Let's see if we could find the grid. See down here? Or the map, I'm sorry, not grid. Let's see. All the answers in blue. Okay, so this goes with this. Here is your answer key for the history and geography. Chapter 1, when they do their comprehension checks, here are the answers. Okay? These are all of the comprehension checks. Okay? Here's all their answers. The student quizzes. Quiz 1. Here's the quiz. So they just answer the questions and then you would score it on here. This is what it looks like. Basically, that is what it looks like, guys. All right, so that is their quizzes. This is the quiz answer key. Okay, again, answers are in blue. Sorry if my paper is crooked. All the answers are in blue. So here is the tests. This is the student book. And here is the test. Looks pretty much like the quiz. A little bit more questions. And also this is, so test 1, okay? And then test 1, page 2. Test 1, page 3. And then it starts test 1, page 4. And then here's test 2. So it's pretty long. Okay, so let's see, test 3. Let's see how many pages. Page 3. Yeah, page 4. Let's see how many. Test 4 has 5 pages. So they're, test 4 has 6 pages. Wow. Okay, so these are pretty long. The test key. So again, answers in blue. Answers in blue. See? Questions, questions, answers. There we go. That is it, guys. That's all of this. Thank you so much for checking this video out. I hope that it's helped you and I hope that leads you to the right curriculum. So thanks again for checking out this video. Please hit that like if you liked it, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you are updated whenever I have a new upload. All right, you guys, thanks again. Be blessed.